Dashboard here. There's not really much to see in this video, but this is becoming an all too common occurrence on my dash camera. Now, the driver of this green Tahoe had been changing lanes behind me, weaving through traffic in this congested area. Now, the only problem with what they were doing is that over the course of 6 lane changes, they didn't signal once. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep these videos coming your way.
Fresh fruit.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah. Now, why a diabetic would need fresh fruit? Beats me. She's still in ICU.
Because they're probably trying to figure out why her sugar went too low. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.